Okay, now we're going to paint the bird looking back over his shoulder. The brush is going away from me, and now the brush is coming back toward me. You really want a sharp angle on this head. If there's no problem with if he looks this way, but if you're really wanting him to look over his shoulder, a nice sharp angle works better. Okay, now once again we need to think about the spine. Here's the back of the head, and the tailbone, or the spine, will be right the opposite. So I'll just draw it in just so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now the feathers then. 1, 2, 3, and I'll put 1 or 2 over on this side, and coming right alongside it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the tail then between the first 2 feathers. Okay. And now the eye, which once again will just be a circle. Okay. And the beak, again I like to have a fairly dry brush and a stroke. This time we're going to have his beak, or his mouth, closed. Now, I think his forehead could use a little bit more, so I've left some paint on my brush. There. Now, last time we used color for the stomach, but now I think we'll just go ahead and make it black so you can see the difference. So point, press, and lift. And then the thigh of the leg, 1, and then continuing this line, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the foot, remember, is the same stroke as the beak. Basically, you're going to go up, and so just press a little bit, so, and the second foot. Okay, now I think I'll just go ahead and give it something to be standing on.